Can weigh our renewed questions tonight over the safety of PG&E pipelines following a rupture on a line during a pressure test on the peninsula. We have team coverage tonight, beginning with KTVU's Patty Lee along Interstate 280, which was temporarily shut down because of the pipe failure. Patty.
Well, you can see why they had to close some of those lanes. Now, inside of these cones is all of the mud that used to be on the freeway. So what happened here? According to PG&E, the 24-inch natural gas line, which is on top of this hill, most likely had a dent in it and burst under pressure. PG&E crews had to walk up a 200-foot embankment along 280 to access the peninsula's main line for natural gas, which at around 3:20 today ruptured, ripping the line open, sending up to a foot of mud and rocks onto the freeway.
Given the amount of debris that had come down onto the freeway, we're very fortunate that no one was seriously injured or vehicle struck. It necessitated us at one point to close the entire freeway until we were able to determine that the vapor itself was not of a hazardous nature.
It turned out PG&E was performing hydrostatic tests on the 3 miles of line between Menlo Park and Woodside and was ramping up the water pressure to find weakness in the system. It found it.
What we're trying to achieve with the water pressure test is, like, if this line holds at this level of pressure, we're going to operate at a lot lower pressure for natural gas.
Today's rupture is on the same line, 132, where last week PG&E identified the presence of a leak during the same testing process. PG&E is still looking for that pinhole and must now investigate this most recent system failure.
The pipe's several feet in the ground. So typically dents on a pipeline are made with during excavation, with a backhoe, that sort of thing.
We took this video of the pipe just about half an hour ago. You can see it is now surrounded by protective fencing. According to PG&E, the damaged section will be removed and replaced as quickly as possible, and the testing will continue. Reporting live along 280 in Woodside, Patty Lee, KTVU Channel 2 News.